Well, I got some of this junk right here, and the yard, they're getting rid of everything as fast as they can. Like almost nothing in here. You know what that means? When the yard hustles the scrap out as fast as, or faster than it's coming in, that always means the price is going to drop more. So we're probably looking at, in my area, which was $245 a ton about a week ago. Right now it's $225. So it dropped $20 in the past week and a half. We're looking at June and July, we're looking at maybe $150, $160 a ton. Gasoline prices are dropping. So in the USA we had that $2 trillion infrastructure thing. Well, turns out maybe 20% of that money is actually going to go for rebuilding roads and bridges and stuff, which require quite a bit of skill. And I think in the beginning, I think the markets, at the beginning of the year, were all hyped up about $2 trillion being spent on infrastructure. Well, most of it's just pork. Green New Deal, initiatives that bring nothing really to the scrap world. A couple of them, like wheelchairs and some hospital beds from some small hospital. Which I think the hospital itself is actually going to go out of business. This thing is heavy. These wheelchairs are worn out. They're actually no good. No, I'm not the best packer of scraps in my truck. Done for efficiency. Anyway, whenever the prices start dropping like this, they start watching their scraps a whole lot more closely. When the prices are high, they're going up. I don't really pay so much attention. But when the price is dropping like that, watch what you bring here, because they'll give you discounts. Anyway, all done. You gotta watch what you throw off now, as the prices are dropping. I'd be surprised if I didn't get a discount. We will see. Claims to be had. Phew! So here's the interesting part to everybody. Caution, watch your step. As I got steel shred. $2.25 a ton. It's gone down $10 more. Almost half a ton for $108. I can feel the effects. There's a big difference between $2.45 and $2.25. Anybody trying to make a living off of this? Well, you're nuts. You're nuts like me. Trying to squeak out a living. Why don't you see if you can get a job at the junkyard here? That's a common comment. Why? So I can make $10 an hour? Breathing in everybody else's dust all day long? What's in the dust? What kind of hazardous material is in the dust? I'm sure there's asbestos and other not so friendly things here. Like any scrapyard. Any scrapyard. So I'd be exposed to all that for $10 an hour. Why? The ideal idea is to go to the scrapyard as seldom as humanly possible, taking in the largest scrap loads you possibly can. So you spend the least amount of time there, which I would like to do, but I haven't gotten my big trucks up operating, so like Scrap Farm. He's what that guy is. He's here at least once or twice a day. Twice a day, I would say. He's not here that long, though. He takes the stuff here, doesn't lollygag, gets in, gets out. But my professional opinion, dealing with these places all my life, you don't want to be here. It's a health hazard. It's not safe. My God, that's really worn out. You got that quarter panel right there like that. And you got this one like that. It's broken, everything stay broken. Just use it that way. There's no reason to, I don't know, there's no reason to fix it if it ain't really, really broken. Just keep it going. Keep focused on the scrapping. Well, yeah, that Bert from Scrap Farm, yeah, he's got a large box truck now. He's gonna start making some real money. He's gonna put me to shame. That guy's gonna put me to shame. Big time. No wonder he's got more viewers than me. Oh well, what can you do? Just keep pushing the dream. See you later. Alright, King. When is it ever enough? When is enough enough? Just cab this cart. Let's see if I can't get to that one over there. You're just greedy. Nuts. Scrap life 24/7. Come on, kids. It's only a quarter in America. I guess in the UK it's a £1 coin. So why does it take what equals $1.40? So basically 6 times the money the British have to put in the shopping cart. Are the British 6 times as lazy? Or are Americans 6 times greedy? I want this question answered. I got that. There you go. Another quarter. So 1 British pound is about $1.38, so we'll round it up to $1.50, which would make 6 quarters.